Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We're here to show you no matter what your disability is, you can still follow your dreams. Now that right there is a beautiful sunrise. If you don't know who I am, my name is Daniel the Big O, and I'm out here with the Fluffy Poodle. That's right, Mr. Fluffy Bear and his bluish, greenish, sometimes it turns purple hair. Today, the Fluffy Poodle and I, we are out dove hunting. We're out dove hunting on this nice field. Right behind us, you might see some pigs here in a little bit. In this fence, there's some awesome piglets that run around. But check out this field that the Fluffy Poodle and I are at. That spinning thing out there is called a mojo. It spins around and it attracts the doves so they can come in and they know where to land. You see, we're sitting up against this fence. I'm right on this fence post, so I kind of blend in a little bit. With doves, it's not that important that we're super camouflaged, but we do have to be hidden. So this breaks up our silhouette, and it kind of looks like we're blended in to this nice fence row. Now, Fluffy, you stick out like a sore thumb. How can we get you to not stick out like a sore thumb? We tell them, place. Fluffy, place. Back. Place. Good. And that's how he stays hidden when the birds are coming in. Good boy, Fluffy. Good boy. Good boy, Fluffy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, Fluffy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All the way, please, boy. All the way to me. Good. Out. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I'm so happy. Oh my. That was literally his first perfect retrieve. When I said yes, he ran out that blind so fast and he went and he tried to get it and he got it. And holy hot, yes. Yes, he did it. Good job, boy. He got his first dove. And they're flying. Let's go, Fluffy, place. There's a dove. I just got one on the ground. Let's see if Fluffy go get it. It's wounded though. You know that bird that we just got down? I found the red juice. I found some feathers, but we couldn't find the bird. Fluffy was looking. Fluffy, he gritted it everywhere. I did the same. Another bird came in, and then another bird landed next to the one that we injured, and then they both got up and flew away, and we're like, what? So maybe it might fall off the power line, and then we can go get it. Look, whole bunch of flock right there. Whole flock of them. Another one right there. More. Look at them all. They're flying everywhere. The Fluffy Poodle just got another retrieve. We had to walk all the way outside the field because it went on the other side of the fence, and he held it from all the way over there, all the way back over to that corner, and all the way down to the blind. Probably a good 50 to 100 yards. I am excited. I don't know if it just kind of clicked with him today, but especially with us going out hunting as much as we have been the last few days. But he ran out like he was supposed to. Some things you wish you got on film, but it's just better for that memory. You know, Fluffy, you're doing such a good job. I like seeing all that all over his beard. Nothing but feathers and the juice. Yep, 2 doves sitting in front of us. We got some doves flying in. Get ready. Stay. I'm not leading them enough. We had 3 come in, 2 right in front and then 1 over here, and I missed the one clear as day right here. Let me get out the better ammo. Oh, big group. Fluffy, place. Place. Big group, big group. Nope. They flew over to that power line that they've been at all day. Yeah, you can't see those 50 down by the power line, but they're literally all over today. I've never seen this many doves in my life. Yes, good boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Come here, boy. Good. Out. Good boy. Look at that one, buddy. Yeah, good boy. Place. Good boy, Fluffy. Good boy. Fluffy, are you a good boy? Yeah, you're a good boy. I'm so proud. Yes. Hard work seriously does pay off. It really does. He's helped me out. You know, he's helped me out more than most people realize. For me to get up and go out every single time, I could do it, but it'd make my hunt less enjoyable. So a service dog can be trained to differentiate taking care of you and also a prey drive. It just takes a lot of hard work and dedication. A lot that most won't do. Oh, we got some flying in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's about 15 flying in, flying in, flying in, flying in. Come on, come on. Dude, if I drop the phone, it's because I'm gonna get ready to harvest. Come on, fly in, fly in, fly in. Come on, baby, come on, baby. No, they're landing right there on that hill. But unfortunately, there's no cover over there for me to be at. I got 2 down. Let's see if Fluffy can get them, okay? Fluffy, yes! Go get it, boy! Fluffy, right. Fluffy, left. Good. Good. Good boy. Come on. Good, come. Fluffy, come. All right, now we have another one, okay? No, come on, heel. All right. Fluffy. Fluffy. Nah. Good. Good. Yes! Go pick up, boy. Come on. Where was it? Go get it, boy. Good. 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 Back. He's gritting. Come on. There it is. It's right there. Okay. Fluffy, left. Back. Good. Good. Pick up. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. All the way to the blind. All the way to the blind. Out. Good boy. Place. Good boy. Good boy, come here, boy. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. I'm so proud of you, buddy. I didn't pick up a single dove today, and there's one in front of me. I'm gonna put this down and try to get this one in front of me. Hold on. Fluffy, stay. I'll put another round in real quick. Oh, it just flew off. It's all right. It's all right. I can't get all of them. Oh, this is awesome. He's like caught on. He's really caught on. Look at all of them, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He got 5 today. Another one coming in. Fluffy, yes! Good, come on! Hurry, we got a big group coming in. Hurry, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Look at them doves. Look, we got groups flying. One right there. We have a group of like, what, 20 right there. Can you see them all? They're flying everywhere. Oh, they're coming in on me. They're coming in on me. Look, sometimes you just have to sit back and really enjoy the hunt because it's not always about the harvest. This is one heck of a good morning. Yes! 6 doves down. Fluffy, yes! Come on, boy! Come! Pick up! Pick up! Come! Come on! Come! Come on! Good! Good! Good boy! Good boy! Place! Good boy! Good boy! All right, so now is Fluffy's first blind retrieve. He didn't see this bird go down because it was off to the side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring him out this blind. I'm gonna line his spine to nose to where the bird is and tell him to go pick it up. Let's see how he does. Fluffy, heel. Good, heel, come here. Good, now I gotta line you up. Fluffy, wait, good, good, good. Yes! Fluffy! Good, good, good. Pick up. It's right here. Fluffy, come. Fluffy, right. It's right there. It's good. He went right past it. Good. Fluffy, pick up. Come, come, come. Fluffy, come. Come. Good, 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 good. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good. Get it. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Heel. Heel. Yeah, you got that one, didn't you? Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Stay. Good boy. That was your first lively one. Good boy, Fluffy. Good boy. That was seriously awesome. His first lively bird. That was seriously, I couldn't have asked for anything better. He went back after it. I didn't know if he was going to be scared or not, or if he was going to be hesitant, but he went after that bird. He picked it up and he definitely brought it to me. Thank you, the Fluffy Poodle. Yeah, we're getting him today. This is one of the best hunts I've ever had in my life. It's all because he's doing what he's supposed to do. Oh, another big group coming in, but I just want to enjoy it. Look at this, guys. I hope you guys can see it. I love you, buddy. I love you. Yes, I do. Do you see them, buddy? It's like they slowed down for a little bit. We got 8 down. We're gonna only go for 10 today. That's our goal, is 10. We're only taking 10 because we're gonna give this spot a rest so we can come back and get some more. Well, Fluffy, it's 9 o'clock and I think we're gonna wrap it up. We don't want to give this spot too much pressure so we can come back out. Well, I hope you guys had an amazing time. I know myself and Mr. Fluffy Poodle sure did. That's right, Mr. Fluffy Bear and his blue hair. Look, it's just a quick little fun episode of us going out and following our dreams, and I hope you guys do the same. Till next time, you know who this is. This is Daniel the Big O with the Fluffy Poodle. That's right, Mr. Fluffy Bear and his bluish, greenish, purplish hair. He is all ready to say goodbye. High five. Good boy. All right, y'all have a good day. Bye-bye. You ready, boy? Let's go.